Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. The recently released Jamaica Conference Board survey of business confidence for the final quarter of 2025 showed that survey respondents expressed uncertainty about the economic outlook due to the disruptive effects of Hurricane Melissa on Tuesday, October 28, 2025. The survey findings were released at the Terra Nova All-Suite Hotel on January 20th, and pollster Don Anderson stated, and I quote, "Very important to note that across the various indices that create and feed into and drive that final overall index, all of them fell." In the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa, businesses commonly reported that the most significant impact on their investment portfolios was commercial disruption rather than direct physical loss. Even with those challenges, businesses have shifted their focus to building emergency cash reserves, improving disaster preparedness and business continuity plans, diversifying products, services, and markets, and investing in more resilient infrastructure and technology, and increasing insurance coverage. As a result of the climate shock, some consumers expressed concerns about price increases and the rise in the cost of living. Others were concerned about damage to homes, disruption in children's schooling, disruptions in access to services such as utilities and transport. Looking ahead, consumers plan to strengthen or rebuild their housing structures, increase emergency savings, and purchase home insurance. For the trading period of January 21, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 4,368,603 units at 15.57% of market sales activity. Wigton Energy Limited with 4,020,986 units or 14.34% of market sales activities. Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 3,660,113 units, representing 13.05% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, construction, and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market, based on Bank of Jamaica data for January 21, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. US dollar had trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $158 and buying at $156.49. The Canadian dollar had moderate gains supported by 47 cents transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar was sold for $114.70 and bought for $114.23. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $9.25 in profit for the banks. The British pound sold for $215.11 and was bought for $205.86. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, if you own shares, take action to borrow against these shares and not use your credit report by starting with your investment broker. Ask whether your portfolio qualifies for share pledging or securities-backed lending. Ask what percentage of your holdings can be used as collateral, and ask which stocks are eligible. Whether your shares are listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, Barbados Stock Exchange, New York Stock Exchange, or Toronto Stock Exchange, the process is similar. Your broker reviews the value, liquidity, and stability of your shares, then outlines how much cash you can access without selling them. This shifts the focus from your credit report to your assets, allowing you to use what you already own to fund business growth, real estate, or new investment opportunities while keeping your portfolio. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.